Mining. What is mining? Mining is the extraction of mineral from the surface by the help of digging, drilling and blasting way for the use of mankind and the economic of country. It's okay. So mining is basically two types. One is open cast mines and another is underground mines. Underground mines having two types. One is incline and another is shaft. Incline just like 45 degree from the surface towards the underground. This process is known as incline. When the secondary process is shaft, we just make a hole preparation for just like a 90 degree, just like a well. This is called shaft. And but today we are discussing about open cast mines. Open cast mines. When we have started open cast mines, then the first part is box cut. This is look like a box. So that we call the first opening cut is box cut. Box cut having a two drains. Okay. Then after development the benches, we are preparation for a blasting. Okay. When we are blasting, then first starting a hole. This is called drilling process. After drilling, we are preparation for a mining. After drilling, we are discussion. After drilling, we are preparation for blasting. When blasting, before we blasting, we take some marks. Just like this is the holes. The hole, one hole to another hole is called spacing. What is called spacing? And one row to another row distance. This is called burden. What is called burden? So actually, some students are confused. What is spacing and what is burden? One hole to another hole distance in a row, that is called spacing. But one hole to another hole means one row to another row. This is called distance called is burden. Okay. Otherwise, in benching process, okay, this is called length crest. From the end of the point of the open cast, and this is called crest, this is called spacing, and this is called burden. Okay, we have know about what is the main basic points: spacing, burden, and crest. Okay. And the next point is how to make blasting preparations. When we drill in a hole in a mines. This is called base charge. What is called base charge? And this then prime charge. Okay. And this area is stemming. Sorry.
Ready.